Hi friends, instead of covering the obvious Q1 results, which I believe a lot of people have covered already on YouTube and on podcasts, I want to talk about Tesla's quarter from a different perspective. I want to talk about what's not covered in Q1 conference call. So I sat back and kind of let everything sunk in and try to understand what's going on in Elon's head and give you my perspective on it. So I'll do the obvious things later on reporting on my Tesla weekly analysis in case you guys miss anything. Also, I appreciate the early thumbs up. It helps a lot out for the YouTube algorithm. I want to talk to you from the perspective of Elon Musk and how he was feeling. He is generally happy with the progress at Tesla. You see, his workers worked their hardest to achieve amazing results, the best Q1 they ever had, the hardest quarter to be profitable. They achieved it despite not being able to deliver towards the end of the month where the shutdown began, and he really appreciates that. Yet something wasn't right. He wasn't happy and said the F word. We diehard fans of Elon knows that he has a good heart. Only fans like us who watch every single interview and tweet of his would understand. He talks pretty directly, and that's something that we all appreciate. And that's something that I would want to see in a CEO, being direct. The last thing I want is to have some
posh CEO that talks very well and that's pretty much all he does.
He is frustrated at lawmakers, the way he handled matters. From my perspective, and later Elon has confirmed this, he cares for his workers. The very workers that pour their sweat and time into the company. Every day the business is closed, the cost for these people's financial security goes up. Elon cares about getting his people back to work in a safe manner. And there's no better company with the experience to do it because they have Tesla China and is doing it now. You see, if there is no new cases in North California, put in place procedures like Tesla China and start work. So let's talk about the profitable quarter. So Tesla cashed in a bunch of EV tax credits. And what are these EV tax credits? This money comes from other automotive companies that are not producing enough electric vehicles. They will face a huge fine and they rather pay Tesla to get through some regulatory hoops. So the tax credit triggered a profit. You also notice during this call, they didn't talk about the change of guidance for the yearly deliveries of Tesla cars. Instead, they said this: we have the capacity in stock to exceed 500,000 vehicles delivery this year despite announced production interruptions. There is a distinction between actually changing their delivery guidance and saying that they can produce enough to deliver. Those are very different kind of comments, but what I think one can take away is they may fall short of their original 500,000 deliveries forecast, but they will deliver above street estimates of 430,000. So remember, in this video, I'm not talking about numbers. I'm putting myself in Elon's shoes and trying to understand things from his perspective. What I said so far might be your first time hearing it because I'm not covering the obvious. So given my numbers of years quite accurately predicting him, maybe because I have a similar character as him being weird and shit, I guess this way I can help let you guys understand the situation from a different point of view. I just want to cover two more points before I wrap up this video. Tesla, despite the COVID situation, they do not have a demand problem. Orders are still coming in and they are not able to deliver due to the shutdown. Tesla ended the quarter with the biggest backlog ever. That is bigger than the Model 3 backlog. I told you many times and I said it 1,000 times. Innovative companies always gain traction when times of crisis. The last video I said it, the last video I said it, and many videos I said it. During the call, Elon sounded very confident. I know when Elon sounds on the edge and not really sure of something, but I sense his confidence on the ability of the autopilot team to deliver full self-driving. Honestly, I've seen many experts saying it needs a minimum of 10 years, and I kind of discounted them because it's Elon, you don't bet against him. So my estimate was around 5 years. It's funny that Elon seems quite fairly confident that full self-driving ready by 2021. I'll go more details on this in the next video, but think about it, it's crazy. Concluding this video, when you put all this together and think about the future of Tesla, so what does this ultimately mean? The way we evaluate Tesla shouldn't be compared to some traditional automakers like Ford or GM. That is just stupid. Or even like evaluate Tesla as a tech company. If full self-driving is fully functional, it's a whole new category by itself. Elon may miss deadlines. It's not his strong suit. Like he's early on Model Y, but he was late on Model 3. But at the end, he always deliver. I hope you enjoyed this video. Appreciate those who helped me. Click the thumbs up, and always remember to invest safe.